welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have the new Mind Games Prodigy, okay? And I'm coming back with my full thoughts on this beautiful Christmas present that I received. And this is the new Mind Games Prodigy. Yes, Mind Games Prodigy. Such a great collection. If you all want to know my thoughts, let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. So I got this beautiful package, okay, from my love, and this was for Christmas. And so with this package, we get the fragrance, we get the two, and you know what? These are kind of like a watery oil, I will say. I believe they're supposed to be oils, but it definitely gave me this watery vibe. We get some tester strips if you need them, and then kind of information about the product. So, versatility. You all know how we do around here and how we start out. Versatility. Is this fragrance versatile? And when I think of versatile, I think, can I wear this anywhere, all the time, right? Any season, anything. I would have to say no. I don't think this is versatile. I don't, okay? And we will get into it as we talk about the occasion of it all. Now listen, I wore this dressed down. As you all, I'm dressed down today. Very leisure set. I just need to be comfortable today. It's been a week. But I tried to wear this fragrance. I did wear this fragrance with a leisure fit, just kind of like outgoing errands. Great. I smelled amazing, but you know what? I felt like my fragrance outperformed what I was wearing. I felt I don't know. The fragrance was giving me, I needed to be at an event, and I was very homegirl next door. Like, I was very comfortable in my comfort. So I really feel like maybe this is not as versatile for me, right? I feel like this is definitely event worthy. Definitely ball, definitely a dinner, a nice date night, date day, something that I'm going out and doing, that I'm dressed up for, you know, even church, whatever the case is. I need to be wearing my best of the best. I feel like my sweatpants and tee did not give it. It was not giving. It was not giving with this fragrance. I'm sorry, not sorry. It was just my experience, and it just wasn't giving. Okay, moving on. Now, packaging. I mean, look at this. Packaging, A1, A++++, 10 out of 10 recommend. Packaging is amazing. Like, this ombre looking white, and it almost kind of goes into this subtle kind of cream, a little like, I mean, if they had little hints of gold in here, it's very like goldish ombre white into glass. It's beautiful. Okay, all that to say, it is beautiful packaging. I adore this. This is my favorite packaging bottle out of all the Mind Games that I have. I adore this so much. This is giving me feminine vibes, very rich. Okay, just very rich girl rich. I love, absolutely adore the packaging. So pricing, I did not pay for it, so I had to look up the pricing. So right now this is $4.75.
Oh no, 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 no.
Now I do not know, like, if $4.75 is just for the bottle, or is this packaging $4.75? I'm not exactly sure, because again, this came in a set, so I don't know. So I do not know that information, but if you want this fragrance, it is $4.75 that I saw on Neiman Marcus, okay? Next up, do I think this is more feminine or masculine? I think it leans more feminine. I said it. I really don't know if this is unisex. But if a man, if you wear this and have experienced this, let me know. Please let me know, men. Like, if you have experienced this, brothers, I would love to know. Like, do you think that this is for you? Do you think is this a little bit more feminine that you would like? Like, let me know your thoughts below. I think that this is more feminine. To me, this gives me feminine, rich vibes, very cute. Not even cutesy girl. This gives me sexy mama. Like, she has arrived. I have arrived, honey. I have arrived. Like, it is definitely one of those memorable moments. Moving on. I believe this was launched this year, or last year, I would say. But the notes, let's go over some of the notes. So for the notes, we have rose, cardamom, and we have bergamot. We have langoza. We also have patchouli in the middle. And the base, we have blonde woods, vanilla, and my favorite, sandalwood. Yes. Okay. So, sis, what was your experience? Let's get into the nitty gritty. Okay, sis, I got you. Honey, this gave me, okay, I don't have this in my collection, but I'm going to tell you, like, where the realm gave me. This gave me Guidance 46. I don't have that fragrance, right? But when I sprayed this, I was like, excuse me? But I will say it gives me like a watery Guidance 46. It gave me watery rose, but it definitely stood out. So minus the oil Bantam that's in Amouage Guidance, the original, like, take that out. Take that out, right? But this Amouage Guidance 46, the other one that doesn't have that really strong, to me, it gives me barnyard scent, even though Guidance is massive, beautiful. Okay, and another thing, like my coworker was wearing Guidance in the office. I smelled that coming up in the office, okay? I said someone has on Guidance. That's what I said. And I kept saying that all day until when she came up on me, I was like, are you wearing Guidance? She said, how did you know? I got that for Christmas. Oh my gosh, you're so good. Girl, no, I smell Guidance. Guidance is a very distinct smell that smells up the entire room, right? She was like, my fragrance that I had on, she, like, what is it, KO'd? She knocked my fragrance out, okay? But this gives me a watery kind of essence of that, and it is strong, and she is beast in her own right. Now, I wouldn't say as beast as Guidance, but definitely long lasting. Yes, it's still in my clothes to this day, and I did, like, she holds on to you for dear life, okay? And I did get plenty of compliments, but if you were thinking about, like, getting this and you're like, sis, what does this put you in the mind of? Guidance. It does. It gives me that vibe. But it is so immaculate. When I was wearing it, I was like, this is so beautiful. And it was hard for me to also describe my experience. I'm walking around on it and I'm like, what am I getting? What am I smelling? I need to take it back to the family. And it was so hard to give you all my experience of this fragrance. It's so dynamic. It's beautiful. It's outstanding. It's smooth. It's immaculate. Like, when I'm so serious, this is one to absolutely put on your wish list, one to want to get. This is beautiful. Not only the packaging, but the experience is amazing. And I really enjoyed myself. I mean, I felt pretty. I smelled good, right? But I just felt so dynamic and pretty and just like that girl. Like, I was like, you can't tell me nothing. I don't want to hear it. But I would say they had these little oils. And I feel like I mentioned in the beginning, they gave me a little watery oil. I will say the Rose Absolute one with the fragrance, it brought up that rose 10 times as much. It was amazing. Now the patchouli. Now, I wouldn't call it a dirty patchouli, but it was giving me very gritty. Maybe that's dirty. Okay. It was giving me real gritty of that patchouli. Mixed with that, it wasn't my favorite note for it to sit. It wasn't my favorite with that particular oil. I probably wouldn't try that again with this fragrance. But, and this is why I say with the men side of the thing, men, if you were to get this fragrance, let's say, and got this packaging, I would say this patchouli kind of leans it in the unisex, in the masculine depths. Like, I feel like that patchouli, you put that with it, it kind of brings it to that side. But by itself with the rose, definitely gives me more feminine. But if you put that patchouli on, you might be able to get away with this. Just tell me in the comments. Did you get away with it? Just let me know. I just want to. Moving on. So that is my full thoughts on the new Mind Games Prodigy. Let me know. Have you tested this? Got your nose on it? Do you have it? I would love to know your experience below. What are you getting? What are the vibes that you're getting? Let me know your experience. Okay, fam? Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Okay? Give me all your thoughts. And make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, and yeah, hey, right over here. Your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.